Follow along with 10 exercises without equipment that, when combined, can transform your body in surprising ways. If you believe you need a gym full of expensive machines to achieve results, you are very mistaken. If you are ready to see real changes, sculpt muscles, improve your cardiovascular health, and lose weight, you are in the right place. Now, let's get to the exercises. Number 1. Push-ups. Push-ups are one of the simplest and most effective exercises for working multiple muscle groups at the same time, such as the chest, shoulders, triceps, and even the core. Without the need for any equipment, this movement engages the entire body to maintain balance, promoting excellent muscle strengthening and improving endurance. Additionally, push-ups also help burn calories and contribute to cardiovascular conditioning by increasing the heart rate and aiding in weight loss. For beginners, it's possible to start with knee push-ups, adjusting the difficulty as strength increases. With consistency, this exercise becomes a powerful tool for burning fat and enhancing overall strength. A useful tip is to vary the hand position, such as bringing them closer together to focus on the triceps or spreading them wider to work more on the chest. Incorporating push-ups into your workout routine is a practical way to ensure a full-body exercise without leaving home. The best part is that you can do as many repetitions as you like, turning the exercise into a personal challenge that can be overcome with each session. Number 2. Lunges. Lunges are one of the most effective exercises for rapidly transforming your body. In addition to being highly versatile, they are ideal for home workouts and require no equipment. By performing the movement, which involves positioning one leg in front and the other behind while bending the knees, you intensely work the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Besides increasing muscle strength, lunges also improve balance and overall stability. The positive impact of this exercise goes beyond strength, as it contributes to increasing hip flexibility, which is essential for those looking to lose weight or enhance physical endurance. Although simple, lunges provide a significant calorie burn, making them an excellent option for a full-body workout without equipment. One suggestion to make them even more effective is to incorporate walking while performing the movement, which elevates the intensity and dynamism of the exercise. Practiced regularly, lunges perfectly complement other exercises, helping to burn calories and reduce body fat. Additionally, they can be done anywhere, whether at home or even during a break at work. Number 3. Wall sit. The wall sit is one of those exercises that, although simple, intensely tests your muscle endurance. By leaning your back against the wall and assuming the position as if sitting in an invisible chair, the muscles in your legs, especially the quadriceps and glutes, are activated intensely. This exercise, which requires no equipment, is excellent for strengthening the legs and glutes, and it also demands considerable mental control to maintain the static position for an extended period. It's a great option for those looking to increase strength and endurance at home, as it doesn't require much space and can be done practically anywhere. In addition to strengthening the muscles, the wall sit also contributes to calorie burning and weight loss, especially when combined with other physical activities. For beginners, holding the position for 30 seconds is a suitable challenge. As strength increases, this time can be extended to 1 minute or more. With regular practice, you'll notice a significant increase in leg strength, making daily tasks like walking or climbing stairs easier. Number 4. The Superman. This exercise is a true ally in strengthening the posterior chain. By lying face down and simultaneously lifting your arms and legs, you intensely activate the lower back, glutes, and hamstrings, areas often neglected during home workouts. In addition to improving posture, this movement helps prevent back injuries, a common problem for those who spend long periods sitting. It's surprising how such a simple exercise can have such a positive effect on muscle strengthening and overall health. The Superman is especially recommended for those just starting their fitness journey, as its intensity can be adjusted based on progress. It is one of the most effective exercises for working the core and strengthening the posterior chain, without the need for any equipment. Incorporating it into your routine, especially alongside other full-body exercises, is an excellent way to improve strength and endurance. With regular practice, you may notice a reduction in lower back pain and better alignment in your daily posture. To increase the challenge, try holding the position for a few seconds, feeling how each muscle works together. Number 5. Plank. The plank may seem simple, but it challenges both the body and the mind. By keeping your body aligned with your elbows on the ground, you primarily activate the core, while also working the shoulders, glutes, and even the legs. The key aspect of this exercise lies in isometry, where strength is maintained for an extended period, providing significant improvements in stability and muscular endurance. This exercise is ideal for those looking to strengthen their body while also improving posture. Over time, regular plank practice can alleviate back pain, increase flexibility, and even aid in weight loss, as it engages many core muscles. For those working out at home without equipment, the plank is an effective way to develop overall strength. Beginners can start with short durations, gradually increasing the time as they gain strength. For more advanced individuals, variations like the side plank add a new level of difficulty. The feeling of surpassing your own limits is extremely rewarding. And speaking of overcoming limits, this exercise is foundational for any muscle strengthening routine. Number 6. Squats. Squats are one of the most effective exercises for strengthening the legs and glutes. Without the need for equipment, they focus on the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, providing a full body workout that goes beyond simple muscle strengthening. By incorporating squats into your home workout routine, you also improve mobility, which is essential for daily activities like lifting objects or climbing stairs. Additionally, squats are excellent for burning calories, contributing to fat loss, especially when performed with greater intensity and repetitions. Another significant benefit is the positive impact on bone density, which is important as we age. When executed with proper technique, squats help prevent injuries and increase physical endurance, making them an excellent choice for anyone looking to improve strength and endurance without leaving home. To intensify the exercise, you can try variations such as jump squats, which combine the classic movement with an explosive boost, elevating the heart rate and transforming the exercise into a complete cardiovascular workout. Number 7. Burpees. Burpees are the perfect example of a full-body exercise. Without the need for any equipment, this movement combines squats, planks, push-ups, and jumps in a quick and dynamic sequence, making it one of the best options for those looking to burn calories and lose fat efficiently. When performing a burpee, the entire body is activated, resulting in an immediate increase in heart rate, making it an excellent cardiovascular workout as well. For those looking to improve strength and endurance, burpees are indispensable, especially for home workouts. Although they are intense, they can be adapted to different fitness levels. Beginners can eliminate the jump and push-up, executing the movement in a more controlled manner. More advanced individuals can increase the pace or add weights to the movement for an elevated challenge. Over time and with practice, burpees become a powerful tool for transforming the body, as they engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, promoting strength, endurance, and calorie burning in a single exercise. Number 8. Jumping jacks. This simple movement involves jumping while spreading the legs and raising the arms above the head, returning to the starting position in a continuous sequence. Despite seeming basic, jumping jacks are an excellent option for those looking to improve cardiovascular endurance and increase calorie burn. By incorporating jumping jacks into your workout routine, you activate various muscle groups, such as the legs, shoulders, and core, making the exercise ideal for those who want to enhance coordination and agility. Additionally, it quickly raises the heart rate, providing a great aerobic workout. Jumping jacks are also a great choice for beginners, as their intensity can be adjusted, with gentler jumps for novices and higher speed for those with more experience. Practiced regularly, jumping jacks help burn calories, improve cardiovascular capacity, and strengthen the body in an integrated way. As they require no space or equipment, they are perfect for inclusion in any home exercise routine or anywhere else. Number 9. Leg raises. Leg raises are an extremely effective exercise for strengthening the lower abdominal muscles and hip flexors. Lying on your back with your legs extended, simply lift them slowly until you form a 90-degree angle, deeply activating your core. This movement, which can be performed without any equipment, not only strengthens the abdomen but also improves trunk stability, helping to prevent back pain. For those looking for a home workout focused on muscle strengthening and weight loss, leg raises are an excellent addition to the routine. It is one of the most complete exercises for the body, ideal for both beginners and more experienced practitioners. Beginners can reduce the range of motion, increasing it as abdominal strength develops. For those with more experience, holding the legs up for a few seconds before lowering them makes the exercise even more challenging. Incorporating leg raises into your routine not only helps burn calories but also contributes to improving posture over time, making it a powerful ally in building a strong and healthy core. Number 10. Mountain climbers. This movement involves assuming a plank position and alternately bringing your knees toward your chest, as if you were running on the ground. It is an exercise that combines strength and cardio, making it an efficient option for those looking to improve their fitness in a dynamic way. Mountain climbers activate various muscle groups, such as the core, shoulders, legs, and glutes, while quickly increasing the heart rate, providing an excellent cardiovascular workout. This exercise is perfect for those wanting to burn calories, improve endurance, and strengthen the body overall. For beginners, the pace can be slower, while more advanced individuals can increase their speed to intensify the challenge. Incorporating mountain climbers into your exercise routine is a practical way to enhance coordination, increase strength, and work on fitness in an integrated manner.